People per Hour online job platform review. Usage experience. In today's video, we're diving into a detailed review of People per Hour, an online job platform connecting businesses and freelancers for various types of work. Links to People per Hour are available in the description if you're interested in exploring it for your freelancing or hiring needs. People per Hour is designed for freelancers across multiple industries, including web development, design, marketing, writing, and customer support. It's a platform that allows freelancers to find projects or clients to find talent, both for hourly and fixed price jobs. One standout feature is the flexibility it offers, enabling freelancers to create hourly offers or apply for projects posted by clients. For clients, People per Hour is highly beneficial because it provides access to a wide pool of pre-vetted freelancers, which means less time spent filtering through unqualified candidates. The platform also offers an hourly feature, which helps clients monitor the progress of their project in real time. Freelancers can use the People per Hour workstream to keep everything organized, from invoicing to project tracking. A unique aspect of People per Hour is its search engine feature, which helps freelancers get discovered for specific skills. As a freelancer, you can promote your services with custom hourlies, which are essentially predefined packages for services you offer. This allows freelancers to create clear offers and help clients understand exactly what they are getting, improving conversion rates. However, the platform's service fees can be a downside. People per Hour charges a 20% fee for the first $500 earned from each client, which drops to 7.5% after that threshold. This can add up, especially on smaller projects. In conclusion, People per Hour is a solid choice for freelancers and businesses looking for diverse, flexible, and global talent. It's ideal for freelancers who want more control over their pricing and clients who want to hire skilled professionals with ease. Be sure to check out the links in the description and see if People per Hour fits your needs.